Hi everyone! For today's video, I'm going to show you how to make stamps in Procreate. I often use stamps for adding signature or branding logo to my digital drawings. I also use them for patterns like hearts, stars, and flowers. But you can pretty much draw whatever you like and turn it into a stamp here in Procreate. First, open the Procreate app and create a square canvas. You can choose whatever size you like, but I recommend choosing the 2048 by 2048 pixels canvas size. Then change the background color to black. Just a tip to help you make sure that you're really choosing black, because I didn't know this when I was just starting to use Procreate. You can double tap anywhere on the dark area of the color wheel and it will lead you to the color black. You can do this for white as well, which we will be using to make our pattern. For this, I recommend using brushes with solid finishes and solid ends. The brushes that I use the most are Studio Pen, Monoline, Syrup, and Technical Pen. Don't worry, these are some of the default brushes that comes with buying the Procreate app. Then draw whatever stamp you want to create. But for the sake of this tutorial, I will be making a rose flower. You can follow along or make your own. If you're satisfied with your drawing, save it as PNG or JPEG. Press the brush icon at the top, then the plus icon. Go to Shape, then edit your shape source. Press Import a photo, then choose the image that you saved earlier. For the next step, go to Stroke Path, then increase the spacing to maximum. For the grain source, go to your source library and make sure that it's set to blank. Then go to Apple Pencil and decrease the opacity to 0 or none. You can stop at this point since the next steps are just optional, but I still recommend for you to do this. Go to Properties, then increase the maximum size of the stamp. It totally depends on you, but for me, increase it to 400 to 500%. For the last step, turn on the Use Stamp Preview. After that, you're done. If you find this tutorial helpful, please let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like it as well. If you're not subscribed yet, please consider subscribing. I upload 1 to 2 times a week. And if you have any questions or suggestions for my next video, you can leave it in the comments as well. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!